How to turn your smartphone into a remote or a gamepad. Download the Airtel Smart Remote app from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Your smart remote will automatically pair with your set-top box. On the home page, you will find all the trending digital platforms at the top. With a user-friendly interface, you can easily navigate the functions of the app, such as play, pause, and live TV channels. You can also add your favorite channels and apps for quick access. Click on the More button and explore more features of the app. Like custom screensavers, where you can project your favorite photos as a slideshow on the TV screen while sitting idle. It transforms your TV into digital photo frame. Furthermore, you can also share your photos and videos on the TV screen using the Share on TV option. That's not all. You can also play your favorite games by using your Airtel Smart Remote app as a gamepad. Select App and Games and then click Airtel Games. Then, choose your desired game from the selection and your gamepad screen automatically appears according to the mode of the gameplay. Experience innovation and comfort at your fingertips with the Airtel Smart Remote app.